This is the first of its kind lapha eMpophoma. Engithemba ukuthi ayisiyo into yokugcina lapha eMpophoma. Ukuthi sibuye singobaba, sibuye singamadoda, sihlale phansi, sikhulume. Ngiyakuzothola amadoda abhalwe toilet. Selekela kuzo. Selekela kuzo. Ayibo bantu basikhulele. Omama ababantu. Kuthiwa hayi namhlanje baba. Kuthiwa bathi besemhlanganweni church. Umfundisi wathi obaba abangabuswanga ngomama come forward. Right? Obaba bazihlalela. Wathi ngithe bonke obaba abangabuswanga ngomama come forward. Wabe kusukume kwabo yedwa. Wabe siya phambili. Umfundisi wase well done. Nguye kuphela ongabuswanga ngomama. Wathi hayi mama uthe ngibuye. So bakithi i-agenda esilayo namuhla yindlela yokuthi si-equiphane njengabobaba, sinikane amandla njengobaba, sithathe the position in our role as men. Angithi into ziyonakala emizini, into ziyonakala emakhaya because obaba sisihlalele, sithule, sibukele. Angithi omama angazi 0.something% omama bazibophelayo. But abazibophelayo abaningi ngoba so namhla sifuna ukuthi sishare, sibone ukuthi isolution singayithola njani. Obaba we are too late back. Nxa kuthiwe kulohlelo lokuhlola imikhuhlane yabobaba men uyawazi uthola ithekutshukela ke-BP or prostate cancer asihambi njengabobaba. Ubaba segula i-prostate cancer sokuthiwa ulolunyonga, sokuthiwa yeye umfazi umgangeli, kanti i-cancer evele ikhona efuna ukunjani ukuthi siyedinga uncedo. Angithi so uhlelo lolu esilalo namuhla ngelokuthi madoda asisukumeni, madoda kasikhulumeni, madoda kasixoxeni, singinte phela phakathi lisongisi kuphela. Angithi libona so kodwa ulibona ngithi ngoba lifihliwe. So asibuyeli ngobaba sizoxoxisana, sikhulumisane, sibonisane, sibe ngobaba abatshintshileyo from today. Sibize abasincedisayo abaningi, sihlala sikhamba amanga sithi singafike kwesikhomo siyalipota ukuthi umama utshayile, amapholisa ayahlela. Sila izotherapy namuhla ukuthi izosixoxela khonokho, isibonise khonokho.
Mina ngusista Ndlovu, nginguMakhanye, isibongo sami Mabokhanye. Ngisakhamuzi sakhona eMpophoma, ngisebenza njalo khona eklinikhi eMpophoma njengo-community sister. U-community sister usually kasebenzele eklinikhi kakhulu, usebenzele emphakathini. So yimi ngibona ngama-programs omphakathi, infectious diseases, o-TB, lakho konke. Ama-programs asiwenze uhlaba abantwana, yimi ngiyabe ngiwakhokhela yabo. Namhla ngiphiwe ithuba lokuthi ngizoxoxa lani nge-prostate cancer. I-prostate cancer siyabona ukuthi yi-cancer e-common kakhulu kubobaba. Njalo obaba abaningi bayadlula emhlabeni due to prostate cancer. Siyavumelana sonke nini? Yeah. So lapha sizocebisana, sihlomisane ukuthi singenza njani ukuthi sinanzelele i-prostate cancer kusesemasinya sithole uncedo. Kanti khona vele i-prostate kuyini? I-prostate cancer is a type of cancer that affects the prostate gland in men. It's one of the most common cancers in men. Khona i-prostate kuyini? I-prostate kuthiwa yi-gland engaphansi kwebladder. Ibladder sithi kuyini isinyani esithwala umthambisi. I-prostate iyenziwe yaba ngaphansi kwebladder. Vele yona imeda ngani i-prostate emzimbeni wethu? Mbona ngaba bathi? Najayele ukufundisa njengotitsha. I-prostate singathi imeda ngani emzimbeni? Mbona ngaba bathi?
I-prostate mina ngokwami ngedwa ngokuzwa imbali yakho. Hayi, i-prostate directly to the going to the near
Ngimzulu baba. Ngimzulu baba uthe. Uthe iprostate ayincedi ngalutho kuyavalipha. Kanti mina ngidila umuntu wendalekani. Kamulimi wayengada isitho somzimba esingasebenzile.
I-prostate yenza ukuproduce ama-semen like that fluids ancedisa ama-sperm ukuthi nxa ubaba eproduce laphana kuyahamba kuhle kungena kuma ikwenkwazi prostate.
Siyabonga. Iqiniso lona iprostate kuthiwa iproduce isemen. Isemen ngamanzi lana athelelayo. Ayenza ukuthi ifanele kababa ihambe kuhlanti. Isiya ngaphi? Lapho kumele iye khona during ejaculation yiyo yenza ukuthi ama-sperms ashime kuhlanti. Bayasitshengisa ama-sperms kungani ngokungama-worms okuswimayo so anti ama-worms wona lana ashima phakathi kwe-semen eproducer kwini i-prostate. Siyabonga futhi. Umsebenzi we-prostate emzimbeni wethu. Sesikhulumile ukuthi okay, i-prostate cancer yona vele i-affect abantu abanganani? I-affect abantu abanjani?
Evame ukuhlupha abantu besilisa abaneminyaka engaba yi-40 kusiya phezulu.
Siyabonga. 40 or ababhala abaningi bathi 50 years ngababa. Ngale affect kakhulu abantu abamnyama kakhulu okwedlula abamhlophe. And i-reason yakhona is unknown. Ukuthi why prostate cancer affect obaba abangabantu abamnyama than amakhulu. Akula reason. Angazi abafunde kakhulu ukuthi bona sebeyitholile but at the moment akula reason why prostate cancer affects black men than white men. Then i-cause ye-cancer vele is unknown, and the cause of prostate cancer is unknown, and all other cancers is unknown. Particularly esithi thina ngama-predisposing factors, and ezinye izinto ezingenza ukuthi umuntu abe ne-prostate cancer, kuthiwa men age about 50 years, and the-predisposing factor, family history of cancer. Nxa ukuthi emndenini wakho kulo muntu wakho aba le-cancer lawo ungaba layo, and nxa ukuthi ukhulu wakho kumbe ubaba wakho kumbe umfowenu lawo ungaba layo prostate cancer, and runs in families. Okunye kuthiwa ngama-genetics, and genetically uyakwanisa ukuthi ube layo because of kulama-certain genes asenza sibe predisposed to i-cancer naleyana. Then yona i-cancer ibonakala njani? Prostate cancer ibonakala njani? Izitshengiselo zayo.
Ngoba abangekho emacansini. Nxa ungathanda amacansi increase ukuthi be-prostate cancer. Akwazi ukuthi
ukhona omunye ubaba owayefundisa ngama-health supplements food. Yabona ama-health supplements ndiyawazi lonke angaso ma-drugs. Uthina ukuthi wena uzihlole bamba ipenseli yakho uthi ungabona ukucaba usungcolisa izicathulo ungasatshomi. That is a good sample. The prostate now, is now coming on you. And for sure, must cover over. Yes, one is a choke, kumbe siyathoyisa.
Siyabonga ama-contributions yokuqala ekhulunywa ngaba laphana ukuthi i-prostate cancer affects kakhulu obaba abangekho active emacansini. Lami ngiyangiyizwa nje but it's not scientifically proven. But ezinye izinto ine-society ezisincedayo siyazi-adopt that. It's not scientifically proven ukuthi obaba abangekho active. Maybe nxa singawuthatha njengokuthi anti sithe thina isebenza ukuproducer isimeni leyana ehambisa amasothi imfanelo kababa, right? So nxa isimeni leyana isiphonga ukuba khona maybe ingasebenzi ingahambi. Maybe that accumulation of the semen and kungathina in the long run will cause cancer. Answer is fine. siyabona contribution kaba then bakuduma akuthintile especially ama-signs and symptoms or i-diagnosis ukuthi sibona ngani ukuthi usobule problem ku-prostate siyabonga babadume for that contribution. Then bese sikhuluma ngama-signs and symptoms ukhulumile uba ukuthi nxa i-flow kuthiwa sakhona i-stream singasekho strong i-stream of urine kuyi-sign yokuthi there might be something wrong with the prostate. Maybe singakazi ama-symptoms laphana ku-prostate singaba le-cancer or okunye kuthiwa yi-prostate enlargement i-prostate iyanye kwanisa uphonga ukukhula nje ikhule nxa isikhulile laphana iya-affecta indlela yomthambiso anti sibonile ukuthi sekuduze lebhlada ubhlada laphana nxa kusuka kubhlada umthambiso usiyaphuma uhamba ku-urethra so i-enlargement liyana iyancindezela i-urethra ibandezele indlela yomthambiso yikho kugcina kusibani umuntu angasakwanisa ukuthi athambise kuhle. You get the point? Yes. So kwesikhathi prostate yakho ukukhula kungasokezi ukuthi benign prostate hypertrophy anti ungaba le problem naleyo i-treatment yakhona usually bayenza kuthiwa transurethral prostatectomy or transurethral dissection anti bayisika i-prostate yani ayisiphile kakhulu bayisike balahle or the other piece iyathunyelwa kulebhu iyekhangela ukuthi vele izona inyama zakhona lezana zi-cancerous or non-cancerous angithi so let's not confuse prostate cancer and prostate just prostate enlargement zakwanisa ukuthi u-affecte obaba bonganti but kuba yi-cancer nxa kuyukuthi maybe kuhloliwe kwabonakala ukuthi hhayi ukukhula kwe-prostate le is caused by cancer or ukukhula kwe-prostate le akulani le-cancer is quite benign akucause lutho siyabona. So ama-signs kuthiwa i-prostate iyakhula gradually umuntu uma ekhula layo yalokhu ikhula nje gradually ungakunanzeleli ugcina usukunanzelela ngoba kunjani ngoba soku-affecta sakwazi ukuthambisa that's the first sign angithi uyakusuku difficulty in passing urine pain when passing urine because anti into iyakuzibandezela i-urethra angithi kwesinye isikhathi abanye bayakhipha umthambiso olegazi because of the trauma eyabe sikhona ngale ku-prostate anti abanye kuthiwa isimeni iyabe isilegazi ngama-signs ona lawana anti so kumele ukuthi singabona khona kusiphangise siyeni emtholampilo i-problem ade funa ukuqala lapho ngibele ukuthi thina obaba we have got poor health in behavior. Do you all agree? Ukuthi siyaphuza ukuhamba esibhedlela right? But what I realized during my 30-year nursing career yikuthi into e-affecta i-sexual function kababa ubaba vele uyashimele phezulu nxa unga-affectanga ukuba ngubaba wakhe uyahlala ubaba sazisisana unga-affecta kuphela ukusebenza kuba ngubaba wakhe sexual function hayi kazibekiwe ezilokhu ezinga-affecta egula nje but esebenza kuhle njengoba babuye ekliniki. One, STI ubaba vele ngamthanda kuyo often still obaba vele ngavelebele STI esithi thina yi-STD anti sexually transmitted infection ngala sasithi STD anti akusayi-disease kuyi-infection ngoba kuphenduthited anti lapho ubaba sekuyafika ekliniki that's good but what's bad about that ukuthi uyalodwa ukuthi nabantu abanjani uyakuthelele kuba ukuthi awasithelele anti ama-partners akhe esihlangana labo emacansini anti ngoba ngaze ubuye wena uzotrithwa i-partner yakho ingatrithwanga uzabuye uyele khonaphana eyithanda futhi zikefethi ngiyakubona ngiyabona ukuthi kunzima ukuthi umama mama laphana eklinika kuthiwe buye lapho kunzima nje.
Nginanzela ukuqala laphana vela kusibanzi umuntu wabafika tripeyeko wabuka pay park kathesika baselokuvumela ukuthi ngibuye ngishitwe ngibuye asukholise khona.
Ngiyamuzwa. But tina can't deny treatment. How we the sitting very treatment. Umthetho lapha usasivumela ukuthi sithi kuyela baba uyokuya lo partner wakho. Esesikwenza ukuthi we give equal sleep. Ungabuya sikuchithe siyabhala equal sleep. Baba sikuqhubela umama i-sleep yes abuye la eclinic. Now sesama ukuthi uzamtshela njani uba umama uyakhona ukuya la kuphela thina into esizanjani esizakhuluma la. What is the ways of talking to partners?
Inokusosina kuphepelo kwababa. I think esikhathini okusuka kulezi ukuthi mhlawumbe obaba kumbe ubaba abuyele umuntu wakhe abihamba la osinathi partner ukuthi mhlawumbe ngeke mayisuye official umuntu akevakashile wathola leyo presence or leyo situation so ukuthi ubuye town uyadinga umngane wakho umtshela ukuthi ubuya eclinic usuka kube nzima so siyabonga mali kwanisa ukuthi nibasize or nisisize sisodwa ngiyabonga.
Hayi siyabonga. Thina we ask ukuthi ungabe lama partners amangaki thina we don't judge ngathi hayi sister bayi-3 I have to write 3 post-its and omunye la uzamnika omunye la umnike omunye la umnike but nabe sazana you should avoid ukuthi bebuye the same day. Yabazi ngoba uzathi akade ngisekhini ngakho uzibani kade ngisekhini ngakho ubani so you should avoid giving them ama-question ukuthi babuye the same day but siyabatreat-a konke we don't judge. Yes. So this is the process cancer age.
I think there's a woman is here. Well, you can't take it. I mean, my concern is only the low official. Or official way. Who say to the Latis. Low Latis, which Yemtela, which Yabana, so finally you have this baby, within the bench. So, Nina is community workers. I think we don't tell you that. Anyway, you don't catch it, we can say, what's the spell of communities? We can work by time. Who was the looking most in Almaty? But when the best you treat you like treat you, but says treat you, but do security. That's our big one. The whole official.
Manje ngisoze ngishare phela. Anti mina ngashare la ukuthi senza njani. Sikabe sokuzimu. Thina sinendlela yethu. We've got our ways of going around it. Sinamtshela umama ukuthi hayi uba ukuthola treatment kabantu but we realize ukuthi umkhuhlane wangakhona asithengi umkhuhlane wangakhona bekuyiweyo ukuthi ithelelane njalo kuhlala lo bantu and we give you that yokuze when the honors is now on you and to protect them. Usually omama don't use condoms. Yes. So we should protect our partners esihlala labo ekhaya. But now what should we do? We should use condoms. Do you realize ukuthi umama nxa kule chance yokuthi ube le-STI, ule chance yokuthi ube le-HIV. Ngiyakubona khona STI can be treated, but HIV iyatreatwa, but treatment yakhona is lifelong, right? So we should change our behavior, right?
Ngathi ngisakhula ngangitsha lokuzigqaja ngokuthi ngiyasuka eHarare ngiyofika koBulawayo ngingazange ngiyochitha. So ngathi ngikhuluma lomunye undoda wayengudokotela wathi kuyingozi kwalokho kwenzayo. Bensithi ngibuza ukuthi angeke kuyidale yini i-prostate cancer. Ngibe sengibuza ukuthi what is prostate in Ndebele?
Siyabonga. Ubungozi bokugcina umthambiso yilokho nxa ule full bladder anti utravela ungaba le accident kuba easy ukuthi ube le ruptured bladder. Ibladder lena silibonele ehlala umthambiso anti liyadabuka ruptured bladder. That's the reason. It's easy for you for the bladder to rupture during an accident. when it's full than when it's not full. So asihleli isikhambe sethambisa nje. Alright. I-prostate mina ngesindebela ngiyazi. Angikwazi ngenxa yekholo ongasinceda angikwazi. Angilazi indlela ye-prostate ngesindebele ngiyaxolisa.
Mbizo manje into ezinto engazimizi okhensa besibazi beyizivuzane but iyimvuzane mhlobo bani ibingachazi ukuthi iyimvuzane mhlobo bani so i-prostate le samvuzane kubuye ngesikhiwa ukuthi kube explained inemfundileyo yokuchasisa ngesikhiwa but esipini imvuzane kuphela.
Alright, uma kukhuluma nge-prostate cancer, but uma bahani bebuza ukuthi yona i-prostate, i-prostate isithe yisitho somzimba. Isitho somzimba, angithi i-blood asithe yisiphi. Angithi yona vele kuthiwa yini isindebele.
Indebele prostate can be translated as indlela or more specifically isifo sendlela. Prostate disease, however, the most accurate term might be indlela yangasese which refers to the prostate gland. If you need more specific medical terminology, please let me know and I will try to provide the most accurate translation. So, sifo sendlela yomchamo.
Angithi thina sithe i-prostate sithe yenzana, angithi sithe iye-produce isimeni. Nxa sekuthiwa yisifo sendlela yomchamo, kuyahambelana? Awuhambelana anti? Kuyahambelana? Sendlela yomchamo.
Yondlela yomchamo. Alright. That's prostate cancer. Isifo, but ubekuzeyo i-prostate ngokwayo ezeni organ. Anti ubekuzeyo i-prostate ngokwayo ezeni organ ukuthi kuyini. Siyabonga. So sithe thina isithengiselo nekungathambisi kuhle i-hesitance. I-hesitance ukuthi ufuna ukuyathambisa nje kodwa uvaleka nje. Kodwa uthikaze ngenxa yokuthi kuyavaleka i-hesitance nje. I-blood and urine and semen sesikukhulumile nje. Lena i-diagnosis ibonakala ngani i-prostate cancer? Kuyathatha igazi for prostate specific antigen. I-prostate specific antigen leyi nxa i-high i-indicator ukuthi kulama-abnormalities ku-prostate. And PSA is very expensive. I think it's about $50 for this test, unfortunately. There is an abnormality prostate, but I was telling you the abnormality is cancer exactly. It's not specific. Then you will digital rectal examination. I'm going to explain that. Who do what you are going to ngaseze yandi lapho kuphuma khona ingcebeza yandi bayazi khona how to do it bayapalpeta uthiwa is accessible through the rectum yandi bayafaka umunwe then bese palpeta they know i-normal abnormal iyezwakala na ukuthi prostate yangikhona isinjani isikhulile than if it's normal. That's another way. Then another way is to do ama-scans okuthiwa i-MRI yandi ama-MRI scans lawo aba-specific lama-CT scan aba-specific ukuthi hhayi lokhu kutshengisela ukuthi ungaba kuyi-cancer. But most specific test is to take inyama yona leyani iphisi yenyama beyihambise for histology. I-histology sizatho ukuthi hhayi inyama lezi esizithethe zitshengisa ukuthi kule-cancer. Ngaba lo mbuzo kwapho sakanduli?
Kulo muntu othi yewana nawe ahambe etoilet esiyathambisa more than twice. Kubangelwa yini?
Kuthiwa yi-frequency of maturation nakukhulunywa ngokuthi lapha. Frequency of maturation, there are a number of causes. And the first one, yiyo i-prostate enlargement. And xa isathambisa laphana, i-bladder is not fully emptied. Zawuzwisisa? Uyathambisa but omunye umthambiso usala because of the enlargement. And bese kumenza ukuthi ngemva kwesikhathi abuyele futhi ayithambise, ngemva kwesikhathi abuyele futhi ayithambise. Or i-prostate yami le-infection esithi prostatitis, right? Bekumele ukuthi ahambe for treatment. Or the other reason is the STI. Xa i-affect i-urethra, i-STI la yenza ukuthi umuntu athambise ngokuphela. Anti nxa ngile-STI, ngabe kunesilonda maybe endleleni yomthambiso lapha. Xa ngisithi ngiyathambisa ngisho ukuthi ngiyekele. Xa ngithi ngithambisa ubuhlungu ngiyekele. Yabo uphuma omunye umthambiso omunye awuphumi wonke. Then enye reason is diabetes mellitus. Ungabona umuntu ethambisa kakhulu, more frequently, especially during the night. Uhambe testa for diabetes. I-diabetes umkhuhlane wetshukela. Ukuthambisa kwakhona it will be associated with the hunger. Umuntu angikhona uyabe selamba ukuthi lebusuku uyavuka afuna ukudla kumbe afuna amanzi okunatha. Excessive urination, excessive drinking of water. So kumele uhambe kwabemtholampilo bakuhlole babone ukuthi akula lutho olunye ngaphandle maybe kwe-one. Esithi thina lokho konke ngama-differential diagnosis anti ngikhulume nge-4 things lapha nanti ngithe i-prostatitis, i-STI, i-prostate cancer kumbe kwesinye isikhathi i-diabetes. Ukwenzela ukuthi ba-isolate ukuthi the really reason yekhozi ukuthi uthambise ukuphela siyabonga.
Lapho kunekhona i-cost indication, latest ekhulumileyo yakuqala, that is around $50. Then there are these other tests. Is it possible to open our rough estimate to kungaba yimali?
Digital rectal examination. Izasitshela kuphela ukuthi i-prostate is is for free and physical examination. The MRI is expensive, I think over $300. Yeah, most scan are expensive. CT scan is $500. Yeah, which are chest scan expensive. You don't know why you talk about them as you buy it. Unfortunately, those tests are not done private, public hospital. You can't find them. MP, you can't find them. And this is better than the system there. But you can not have it more private. That's the unfortunate part. I think maybe now public hospital, maybe subsidized fee. I don't know. Most of the people are over 50, 65 years old. Am I right? Yeah, it can be removed. Now we remove it to prevent spread to other organs. So I want to cancer in a but it can spread to other organs, right? Or occipectomy, it's called occipectomy. It can be bilateral or unilateral. You want to keep one or keep one. And if so, it can be removed, right? But through my experience, that's why I'm cases I never had procedure. Or chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is a then radiotherapy, any treatment try hormonal therapy to stop testosterone. Testosterone causes rapid. It promotes the growth of the prostate. So now we have hormones to put testosterone in a producer in 10 minimize the growth of the prostate. That's why. All the medical languages, all the invite to you see, right? Then how do you prevent prevention of prostate? So I prevent an it's could be a regular screening with PSA. That is taking it's expensive, but maybe once a year to screen, the digital rectal examination. When town should have a healthy lifestyle. Healthy lifestyle meaning we should have maintain a healthy body weight. And maintain a healthy weight grain, whole grain. Umbobe, mazambane. Lokunye khona kanje. Then you should avoid the foods that are rich in fat, especially animal fat. So I'm not going to say that and I'm also over. You should avoid fatty foods, especially animal fat. You must avoid the dairy products, right? And processed means, I'm a processed means more opaloni. Opaloni tinti meat that I'm to avoid the kind. See, the natural foods. That's how we can maybe prevent prostate cancer. I'm now open to questions.
Angela abantu abamnyama ekudleni amakhiwa yibo abantu abadlopaloni ocheese bathanda ukunatha uchapha. So why ngigijime kunto omnyama?
I think the reasons are not known. Why is common, it's more common in black men than white men, and the reasons are not known. Maybe it's not directly related. There was one in my setting in the picture. About of course, the cheese, yes. Maybe they eat the remote tradition, but I don't know. The reason is not known. There is no cheese that's it. Or parody that's it. But you can't go on it.
Bembona ngani khona amakhiwa alolwazi lokuthi ahle azipresente ahead yabona thina ulwazi luyasilela mbijana sinjenga ukuthi sifunde khathesi siyabe singakwazi vele ukuthi preventwa njani ukuhamba njani amakhiwa ahle azipresente sesebancane badli i-healthy foods khona kade uqamba lokunye ade mfuna ukukhuluma ukuthi khona singathini ilokhuzeni ukuthi singathi isifo sani ilokhuzeni ijenzo nale ngibona ngani singathi isifo sendlela kababa than ukuthi sithi indlela yomchamo indlela kababa ayikho ukuthi indlela yomchamo
uthe umama esifundisa uthe is hereditary and genes so ukwenza kuhlasela abantu abamnyama ngama genes and ukuthelelwa ngokuhlobo so ama genes ethu lamakhiwa athiyene ngiyabonga
mina yabonga kakhulu nabecela ukubuza ukuthi kwabe health ukuthi why i-prostate idula kangaka okwabomama bahlala behamba emakliniki mahhala besiya-check kanti thina prostate why idula kangaka ngumbuzo wami.
Siyabonga baba. Yathi kasikwazi it appears ukuthi ama-organizations abuyayo ukuthi azosincedisa nje njenge-health system manje babuya bethi sithagetha i-cervical cancer and cervical cancer screening in women and babevele benama-targets abo anti imali yami kuyivela khona noko-Trump kuthiwa niyalo so yabuya vele i-target ekhona khona ukuthi why i-screening of men yona ingatholi sponsor. I don't know. I think we should advocate for such. We should advocate ukuthi that njengabo baba sibe le organization that offer those services for free. And but mina ngedwa nje I have no powers. And but you as a men's forum today, sinaqalisa namuhla. And this is the stage where we can start. Sikhulume ngakho, maybe sidinga ama ways of taking it up. Wenze ukuthi sithole uncedo njengabo baba.
Obaba abaningi
asebehlaselwe umkhuhlane walo kusuka ukuthi induku ingasaphakami kuhle. Abaningi bakhona begcine sebesiyathenga amaphilisi lawo ukuthi induku abaphakami kuswa isibili ukuze umama yefike eKapa lodumo. Umbuzo wami ukuthi amaphilisi lawo ngicela litshele mhlawumbe abangest assessed here kungaba kule one or two affected or into that ukuthi libachazela ama side effects ekuthatha wona amaphilisi. Ubonye ukuthi iphilisi liyakwazi ukuthi uphezu kamama ufele khona kuwe uhlome qhabu khona. Ngicela libachazele.
Kuyenzakala sibili khona bakhulumile but ama-dangers those amaphilisi wona lawo siyanikana thina njengabo baba. They are not prescribed by udokotela. So esingabo-advise ukuthi if you have problems, let's consult our doctor. Because some of the things esiphinyana zona in our communities njengabo baba labo mama futhi balakho khona ukunikana amaphilisi ngasese angaprescribewanga. Kunengozi ngoba anti i-blood flow anti iphilisi lena lenze igazi ligijime ngamandla anti to get maybe an erection anti sometimes it affects the heart. Yikho ubaba uyafela kwasifela phezu kwamama anti let's take medication which is prescribed. Okunye futhi ebengikhona ukukhuluma laphana ngama-predisposing factors anti imithi izihlahla esezinathayo. Besides amaphilisi abantu banathi isihlahla kuthiwa ibhiza anti ibhiza kayila dosage anti ungahamba emakhokhoma laphana bekunike imbiza kwesikhathi abakutshela ukuthi kumele unathi ikaphu ubunathi i-teaspoon ubunathi i-tablespoon or wena bezathi nathi i-tablespoon unathi i-tablespoon ubona ungakusebenzisi ngcono nathi inkomitshi khona phana yokusizilimaza wena ngokwakho anti plus imithi yonke whether nesikhiwa ngesintu yonke ilokuza ngama-kidneys ichithwa ngama-kidneys anti ama-kidneys iziso zethu anti uzathola ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi ka-affectela izokuthiwa umuntu ubulewe umkhuhlane utshayingenani fail anti izinso zakhe zingasasebenzi. In most cases imithi yona lesabe sinathi especially imithi yesintu engalama-dosage overdose of medicine. So it's very dangerous. Let's consult the healthcare professionals before taking any medication. Imbiza this is not but azilunganga. Azilunganga ngoba zayizwa ama-side effects. And the cost of i-dialysis mayiziso sezinike ukusebenza ngale you buy everything from America yakhona konke and come twice a week for dialysis. I-dialysis bezama ukuthi bezame ukukhipha ingcekeza esemzimbeni ngemishina. Anti ama-kidneys uchemo yiwo usebenza khona kanti through ama-kidneys asikhiphela ingcekeza engafunakaliyo emzimbeni and products of whatever we've been taking anti uphuma through the urine. So now society when it shuts down usungasathambisi kuhle you eventually die. He's saying why prostate is very more common ukuya ne-HIV and sithi thina i-health system yethu is evolving every time and it's because maybe the way of detecting the prostate cancer has improved through the years and ukala babesifa kukhulu singakwazi ukubabulawa hawu kusengumuntu omdala ukanti maybe kwakuyi-prostate cancer just because ukhulu wayehlalele ekhaya agule engahambise esibhedlela etholesifo but ikathesi because sesifundile because the health system yethu has evolved over time lama-ways of testing for those conditions asekhona asemaningi. Maybe that's why ama-cases have increased.
Mina okhulumayo uSergeant Dube, Public Relations Officer eWestcom. Okokuqala ngithanda ukubonga i-leadership lezakhamizi zonke zeMpopoma ngokubambana nathi amapholisa ekusebenzeni ukuthi sivikele ubugebenga esigabeni sethu seMpopoma. Ikakhulu information ye-neighborhood watch iMpopoma nxa sikhaya amalokishi amaningi endaweni ethe Westcom iMpophoma yiyo enenebhawudu eningi kakhulu ukudlula amanye amalokishi. So ngiyabonga leadership yeMpophoma ngokubambana nathi ukuthi sibe lenebhawudu. Ngokunebhawudu watch lokhu yaqalayo ama-cases ade siwathola kakhulu evele eMpophoma asemalutshwana. Siyazi akhona amanye ama-sections eMpophoma akabi lenebhawudu. So siyacela ukuthi inkokheli zalawo ma-section kumane lathi ukwenzela ukuthi lakho kube nani kube lenebhawudu kulawo ama-section. Right, so sesingena ke endabeni lothola namhlanje sizaqala ukukhuluma nge-domestic violence. I-domestic violence ukuhlukumezana kwabantu abalomhlobo kumbe esithabasala ndawonye same house, ngaba ngulandlord nama-tenants kumbe umzali nabantwana kumbe ama-siblings, angisho. So into eyenzakalayo ukuthi kusama-types of abuse under domestic violence. Financial abuse, lokuthe umama uyabenitsha ubaba imali kumbe ubaba yenitsha umama imali, yiyo leyo financial abuse. Siya ku-physical abuse, yiyo ejayelekileyo eyokuchayana, umama echaya ubaba echaya umama. Every day eWestcom asisweli 1 or 2 cases ze-domestic violence ezabantu ababehambe court, but kakhulu ujwayele ukuba ngobaba ababebotshiwe. Ngoba umama vele ukumfaka impama selegijima eWestcom, kodwa ubaba angachaya ubancisha imali kabuye ukuzoripota. Yikho ukina usiyafika endaweni kade khulunywa ukuthi ubaba kuthiwa yibo abantu abakhona suicide kakhulu, angisho. So ngoba siyazi ukuthi amapolisi ungafika uzoripota akuhleki. Into esayitsho ukuthi xa ule case yakho ngubaba, we've got i-office ye-victim friendly eyiyo edila ama-cases zona nawo, angisho. So xa ufika eWestcom laphana uyathi ngicela ukuya ku-office 17 or e-VFU, angisho. Angiboni ukuthi ngakhohlwa konke ukuthi VFU lokuthi office 17 bazakutshela ukuthi office yakhona ingaphi. Abajwayele ukufika eWestcom nxa ukhona kufanele uyaqansa ama-steps kulo mnyango wokuqala xa usike e-charge office on your right, kuyabe kule bench hlala kunabantu abaningi khona phana, yiyo office yakhona. Nxa kungela muntu but akwandayo ukuthi kusoyakala umpolisi yabe khona, you can always come to i-public relations office, ngoba i-public relations office ne-victim friendly office zisebenza ndawonye. So lingesabi ukubuya linahlukunyezwe ezindlini, angisho. So bobaba asikumeni sifuna ukuthi iviki siyaphela, ngiyakwazi ukuthi baningi ngoba abahlukumezwa ezindlini. Ngesipele lo muntu ongumama singabe labo baba kuphela ababotshwayo ukuthi bahlukumeziwa, angisho. Kasikumeni bobaba njengoba liqalisile namhlanje this forum ekhona lapha yokuthi silikhuthaze ukuthi lingasayele emuva, ngoba umama vele kasozayekeli uzathi ukufaka isandla uyabe segijima eseyinkampini wena usubotshwa, angisho. Kulezi nsuku i-Majestic Court yethu ingayivumi ukuwithdraw ama-cases e-domestic violence because ama-domestic violence cases are now a crime of concern, semaningi kakhulu ukuthi every month we record more than 100 cases ezama-domestic violence khonapha e-area yethu eWestcom, Mpophoma, Machobana, Phelandaba, eMinyela and Mabuthweni, leKelvin. Kodwa omama yibo ababeripoti labo baba. Then anytime kade ngitshile e-abuse ukuncitshwa ucansi ngumama kumbe wena baba, the other way round, angisho. I-sexual abuse la ikhona, angisho. Uzima besithi hayi mina kunje sekule 6 months umama ngimazi. Kodwa ubaba ephethule. Angisho yikho lapho kusuka khona ukuthi ubaba sephuma nje sesiyathola phandle, ngoba umama sephuma sesiyaphandle. So kungena ama-STD unyana lana bo-prostate cancer ngisho. So any type of abuse abantu abayikhange abangayiboniyo ukuthi abuse. Kumbe umama ethi hayi akuzwa kuhle. Wena uthi hayi ngokwakho mina ngifuna ama-incansi kamuhle. Uyakusumhlukumeza. That's another abuse. Kumbe wena baba bekubamba ngamandla umama usithi hayi ngidiniwe. Angisho kodwa lingahlali idiniwe phela ngoba uyasuka abuse la imama futhi. Ukuthi iviki yonke inyanga yonke kuba bethi hayi ngidiniwe. So asikhangele singakhangeli iside elilodwa. Njengoba kwenziwa ngomama, umama naye uyabedonsela ingubo kuye. So nawe zama ukuthi uyikokotela idonsi kuye kuwe. Uzimele. Angithi because umama aqalisa ukuhlukumeza. Kasabuyele emuva. Ubaba ungcono angahlala phansi akhuzu. Mhlawumbe but isikhathi esiningi omama ababhuza obaba, umama angavela aqala ukufaka impama. So uyihlala yenzi. Angisho. So ngiyacela lekhuthaza ngobaba ukuthi hayi ingabi lenhloni. Zokubuya uzoreport. Asumele isimo reporter nxa uthe wahlukumiswa. Ngiyabonga. Nxa bekhona abalembuzo lingabuza.
Esikhathini esiningi siyafisa abanye labana esithanga ngomama ukubuya sizoreport. But nxa sifika ku front office yenu kuyakola office ababili abathathu labantu. Umlomo uvuvukile nelihlo ligcwele igazi. Ngizama ukuthi ngibeke ukuthi ngithayiwe umama, especially laba ababe ku front office yenu bangihleka bathelele inhloko. Kube sokusiba nzima angikwazi ukuthi senze njani. Kaloku uthe uHuman 17 VFU uyayenza ukuthi ngifika kulwano oku front office isanibona into kubasira inei ngithi ngifuna iVFU room 17 singakhulumi yokunei uyayenza inkoloko.
Kuvume yikho kuchile ukuthi xa ufika uyakhuluma indawo ufuna ukuya kuyo. So xa ufika lapha ulohlupho njengalolo uyacela ukuya eVFU kumbe office 17 bese lokubuza ukuthi uyakwazi na uwenze ukuthi xa ungakwazi bakudirect. Xa ukwazi usuzathi ukuthi hayi mina ngiyakwazi sebeza ukuthi ukuthi hayi qhubekela phambili.
Officer into esinanzelelayo kakhulu kwahamba eWest Community wena baba umama engakuripota wena babe bekuthatha masinyane but wena ubaba uyaripota umama bayakutshela ukuthi wona khona hayi khambani liqale lekhulumelana and then iqiniso elikhona sesakunanzelela yake ihambe eWest Commonwealth liqiniso emfuna ukuthi ngilikhulume lona lelo ukuthi khona lapana kuma officers kusiya uhambe kusiyana office ku victim amanye ama officers labana into ekhulumayo bazalihleka. What next stage ofuna ukuthi angithi sukuhambile ku public relations sukuhambe ku victim, what stage ukuthi abanye obaba ukuthi siyahamba yini ku officer in charge ku West Community ukuthi obaba sincedisane la ngoba izinto ezenzakala la sizibona ikakhulu ema-ofisini ne-West Community liqiniso esilikhulumayo.
Yakezwakala inkomitheni xa ulohlupho njalo ungakhuluma ku front office. Kunabanye abantu ababezihlalele bezofaka nabo indaba zabo yibo abaqalisa ukuhleka. Angithi yikho ngithe go straight to i-victim friendly unit office kumbe ku-public relations office. Angithi ungahamba uyabona officer in charge but officer in charge kasoza kuthatha statement uzakuthatha akukabise lapho e-victim friendly. Angithi njalo xa mina abaningi ngangike ngibancedise abakade bafonela bethi kulomuntu onje angibancedise nxa kule problem enjalo. So lanxa le problem lingabi lenhloni, come to my office ngizalincedisa mina personal.
Isigwebo se-domestic violence njengoba akusakwaniseki ukuthi ubuyele emuva, sesithi khathesi angcono uye court. Isigwebo sakhona sokuyini 5 years bekunjani 10 20 isigwebo
Thina njengepolice esikwenzayo i-docket compilation sidinga ubufakazi ukuthi icala leli le-domestic violence eliyabe liripotiwe kulo bufakazi na singakhomba i-docket sesihambise ekoti. Ikoti yiyo esibona ukuthi umama ngala angafika athi hayi umama sengimxolela, yiyo sibona ukuthi sisenzani. But kulezi nsuku into abayenzayo bayakunika i-suspended sentence, maybe athi ngiyakugweba okwenyanga ezingu-6 zonke asuspende abe sekunika i-community service. Yikho abajayele ukwenza kulezi nsuku nxa kuma-cases awithdrawayo njalo kuyachiyana i-abuse yakhona, kusiya ngokuthi wena wenze iphi type of abuse. Xa kuyi-physical abuse yokuthi utshaye umuntu kulokuthi utshaye ngempama la izakunika isigwebo esikambelana lempama. Xa uthethe induku watshaya umama ngokuba umama watshaya ubaba ngenduku, uza kunika isigwebo esikambelana lani lokutshaya ngenduku. Asoze sifanane isigwebo senduku lesempama. Angeke ngitsho ukuthi uzaphiwa 6 months, uzaphiwa 2 years. So kusiya ukuthi xa uthe waba yi-physical abuse, that's why sikhuthaza ukuthi xa etshayiwe ahambe ayehlolwa ngudokotela. Udokotela uyezathi ukuthi i-degree of injury imi njani, upermanent uthole i-permanent injury kumbe hayi. I-medical report yiyo encedisayo eyenza ukuthi umantshi akunike isigwebo esifaneleyo. So xa uripotile make sure especially xa kuyithatha i-physical abuse hamba esibhedlela ukwenzela ukuthi udokotela akubhalele i-medical report.
Mina owami uthi ngathi umbuzo kube ngithi i-comment kube ngithi it's a mini report, I don't know. We have got a serious outcry for these past 3 days. So kule syndicate eyamasela ahamba betshontsha ama-meter ezindlini. Even like him batshontsha i-meter akula meter lakathesi. So fair kuma next door, I had the same problem. I don't know whether they've addressed it to you or maybe abaka report. That's the question.
Ngoba umuntu abaningi bagijima begijima kuyadingena imithi esitangeke ngihlala amanzi azabuye ebusuku. So sicela ukuthi abantu abatshontshelwe kanjani babuye bareport.
Indaba ye-gender based violence ngicabanga ukuthi i-critical nje sihlangene sinjengabobaba, and ngibona ngani kathesi ngendlela esesibambe ngayo sesihleza ebamba phezulu asikahambi enzikini njengoba abafundisi bakhona ani kuthiwa let's go deep, asikahambi enzikini. We need to start by saying vele njengoba sizwisise ngokunika ama-experiences zethu ukuthi vele what constitute i-gender based violence and ukuthi singayithatha kanjani, what are the challenges. Sihambeni sikhulumeni in deep njabo baba ike ngikhangelile.
Ngicela ukubonga bakithi. Mina umbuzo wami ulapha. Kuthiwe khona kulecala ukuthi umuntu ancithwe ucansi. Now ngifuna ukubuza umpholisa ukuthi kuba licala kusukela esikhathini esingakanani. I2 days yini, i1 week yini, kumbe 1 month, kumbe 1 year.
Ya akula measurement ekhona, kodwa angiboni ukuthi ungancithwa ilanga elilodwa usungakhala kangaka. Abazange bebe specific khonapho. Ngithemba ubaba ukhansela lo kumele ubhale phansi asitshelele MP nxa besiya discussa ngayo lokhu ze in parliament
kube le bakulungisise khonapho ngoba azange ikhuluma ukuthi ngemva kwesikhathi esinganani angisho kodwa lawe kulalapho uyabubona ukuthi vele lapha sengincitshwa mthukuthi angisho
esiyananzelela yini ukuthi ubaba khona lapho nxa sikhona sikhuluma ngegender lapho ubaba uba lolaka kakhulu nxa encitshiwe so abaqala la abantu banika abantu into zabo kwenzela ukuthi ulaka lube lulutshwana izibhakera zingabi ziningi endlini
angazi ukuthi siyongena kahle ibe follow up kuleyana into azikhuluma leyana ye front office leyana into ivela kakhulu emhlanganweni eminingi angikwazi ukuthi khona ngapho kule mizamo yini elizamayo ngoba ubundoda ifika isihlane lohlupho lwayo ifika ku front office yenu into laba bakhona ku front office ababuzayo bathi babuza ngesidingo sayo yini iproblem yakho so kumele aqalise uchaza uhlupho lwakhe and uchaza uhlupho lwakhe kibo bonke nalaba babengezabo abahlezi khonapho lalaba bathe waqalisa ukuhleka lo muntu usezithola kade songani vele kasakwananga or something is wrong ngaye so next time even ungaphindeka acabange that experience ucine ngasahambi vele nakhona ngale kuyini lina emapholiseni kanti elikwenzayo ukuthi lizama ukuthi lenze kube victim friendly ku front office kona phana why can't you create a special section ukuthi vele umuntu onjalo ahlaqondela phana ongani kulesizotha khona ayibeke ingengeni kunabo abanye abantu laba indaba yakhe then okwesibili ioffice lenu uma ingaphosisi lisebenza bo 8 lechayisa kubo 4 right uma indoda sehlelwe luhlupho ngale kwalezo zikhathi yenze njani why kungabi ne 24 hour service yenu kube nomuntu ohlele khona indoda ingalokhuzwa isedoda aqine ezibophela umuntu azibulale but akwalisa ukuthinta ngalathi hayi ngilohlupho lapha ngikwazi ngenze ungaza ke kuye kusa lokho kunje into efana naleyo ngoba buyecina ezibulala umuntu athatha decision wrong ngoba ulindele ukuthi kuzaze kwevulwa ngo4 ngo8 in fact
lami ngizayidlulisela phambili ukuthi ngiyecela ukuthi kube lani lo muntu obakhona 24 hours angithi then bese ngibiya ukuthi nxa ufika e-charge office uyafika ubatshela ukuthi ngifuna ngile case yami ese-victim friendly angithi yiyo i-ofisi ebona ngamakhesi zona lawo e-domestic violence ungafiki ubatshela ukuthi ngile case yami enziwa khona ngayo ungabatshela njalo akula muntu ozakubuza siya phambili njalo enye into nxa ungabona ngani awuphathekanga kuhle ubuyile e-charge office ulemvume yokuyabona u-officer in-charge umtshela ukuthi hayi ngendlela emphathwe ngayo laphana angisusekanga kumbe kangithabanga angibanjwanga kuhle angitsho
ngibalisela khona into engitshoyo officer yile anathi esitsho ukuthi ngizofika laphana ngithi ngifuna i-victim friendly unit lapha ekhona angikwazi vele ukuthi ikhona into enaleyo mina engikwaziyo ngihlukulezekile lapha evela khona ngifika laphana angiyazi leyo nto okhuluma ngayo kumele kube le ndlela yokuthi ingamukele ngidlulise kuhle indaba yami ngingabi angani angikwananga or something khonapho mina ngapha kulohlupho olukhona
so Dube is it allowed ukuthi amaphoyisa ahleke umuntu obuya le complaint indaba ye-gender based violence especially against men ayingabi only for specialized office engena ngo-8 apho ayibe incalculated across the police force so that ngabuya ngizoripota ebusuku sentshayini ngithola umpolisi eselokhuze ngingarifewa ukuthi oza ngendlela kuhle kulwana okufriendly ukuze lalowo akabe lama skills understand ukuthi kufanele ayeke njani I think that's the issue
endelingananzelela abantu abazibophelayo umuntu ozibophelela ngo-10 ekuseni ngo-8 bazibophelela after a hard struggling ngento ehlanganelayo from 9 o'clock kusiyatshaya 4 a.m. So if you have ndingayenza 24 hour ngiyangikhulula ukuthi ingathathi intambo ngoba ijesi lasenali ngiyozibophelela point 8 because I think this is the last one. Councillor, I think you are not doing justice to our residents. But that's Polisa. Lokangisa ngikosi lo council. If ever belihamba ebunzimeni obungaka and the leadership at large is thuleli ngakhulumi lutho, we failed you. We failed you 100% and we agree. We are taking the blame. Kusuka lapha we make a way lo councillor and the local leadership. Sibele sure ukuthi we sit down with uDispol ngokwakhe. Ngoba mina councillor into kangizwa ngalapha kuphela. Ase ngiyiphikile from all over. Ukuthi our front desk okufuze inike the best service nxa ufike esipoliseni ihle kukhabele khatshana ihle kwenza ufile as if awulancedo awulalutho you are useless. So I think le isesithatha badala le ngicela ukhole meeting soon ukhole meeting sizambiza uDispol he will come and address this one here. uDispol nguyokhangele all these offices usiziba will come here and they will address this one. Sicela ukuthi Thembisa under leadership yene local lapha progressive ukansila wethu Mabutho we are doing that one.
Yes, okay.
Mina ngibuza ubaba lo ade khuluma ngetape yakhe yatshontshwayo ebese sithi ka reportanga. So ukuthi kade ufuna umakhelwane bakhe be report. Anyabuza.
Kasizamela ukuthi sinjani si report so that nje amapolisa sibe le record yokuthi endaweni eningi kulama cases alakho kuba abantu bebanjwe inkunzi khona but nxa kungekho en record bizabona ngani amapolisa not supportive kakulanto abayenzayo because kasila that record yokuthi endaweni enje so kuyi black spot yama robberies.
People are crying in the hearts. Number one, angafika kuyathiwa, can you tell us whom do you suspect ukuthi nguye ontshontshileyo? If you suspect someone, nxa ama-investigations esenzo kuzathiwa lo nguwasitshelayo ukuthi wena lo makhelwane asenzani asabonani kumbe nabantu asabonani. I don't know ukuthi ama-investigations asihamba njani. Kudala kade ungabuzi njalo. I don't know why they were asking. Uzakuzothi umuntu lwana has been apprehended. But this time, seems as though it's slightly tougher than what it was before.
I take action and different office lapha. I think ukuhambelana lakho lokho. Kuse kubanjani sokonke kawane.
Wonke umuntu odwa ngubaba okwanisa ukuthi efinyelele efike kule ndawo. Sibese sirecognize ngesibonga the leadership of Bulawayo Residents Association from province. Ungabona ubukhokheli busuka phezulu busehla busiza phansi. It means that we have got a serious leadership. Sibonge our executive team lapha kuward namhlanje ukhokhela ubaba uHade uvice chairman. You are as possibly smart as nobody could possibly be. I think if we are to vote for the smartest man today, he carries the day. Not forgetting our God's generals, this is our heavenly cabinet. The only cabinet which is not corrupt is this one. The cabinet has never yes, it's sweet. You're corrupt. This is my dear brother, Honorable Makazi, once an honorable, always an honorable, because the title doesn't go away. Mina is a very about deputy mayor. I think I'm one of the shortest serving deputy mayors in the city. But that title, I'm tired with it. It will be said former deputy mayor. So that title doesn't die away. But Bagit, this is a very good community initiative program which speaks to the challenges the men are facing. Sithe sikuxoxa kwinto lokho sazoxoxa labobhuti la in our last meeting ukuthi hayi madoda asifakele amakhanda ndawonye. Obaba ezindlini lapha they are coming across a lot of things. Abanye bayabethuka. But nxa sibuye sihlela ukuthi I like the sitting arrangement. And sentiment in the you see, whosoever came up with this sitting arrangement, he knows what he's doing. And the young kid to what bagit, I want to say that I didn't was Kalisaka in Popia. So this is because there is consensus with the citizens who are residents and the leadership which cuts across. The leadership is from the church, from various forums, and this thing, I'm telling you, it is going to work an issue. It's coming as the first of its kind, and it is being introduced here in Boko. We expect this thing to cut across all the 29 wards of Bulawayo. But bakithi sikhona akulanto eyenza ukuthi ubaba ezefile ukuthi i-authority yami is being challenged somewhere. Umuntu ongubaba engafile ukuthi i-authority yakhe iya-challenge, he doesn't feel comfortable. Sisonke sihlezi la akulokazetshela umfazi ukuthi afiseke even umfundisi. Amen, Mafundisi. Can I go deeper? We have the strong even from a man of God, even your country. And it's very common. But what is very important is how you manage your house and keep your marriage intact. Engazitshela ukuthi usaphuza lokwena yebathini saziba ngawo naziba kwathini. Mhla indlona lehlaselo umthandla phela. So every home has got challenges. But what is important is how do we overcome those challenges? Phakathi komuzi. Omnye wathi uyazi ukuthi council angisakambe ibizo ngakho lapho. Wabe ofisi lapha. Kanti sewutheni Mr. Zwaka yakuzini. Ha. Uyazi ukuthi ukukhala kwendoda leli akwethusi. But when a man is speaking to you and one of his members, it tells you how deep the issue is. Kunzima lapha esindini lapha esiphuma khona. Isuthi is for most of men. Most of them, they end up getting into depression. And when they don't get into depression, then you see. So, we want to see our society. Our mama, we say we're going to give them opportunity and to expect the leadership from province. In the class, the women's in that many way. Then thirdly now, we are then going to have both the men and the women's in that. In this is there's a woman who's going to be born. Says Father Amakanda, how do we move forward? And I believe that the community can assist one or two people in that area and to go a long way in making sure that our marriages isn't that go through. Which I know Kurman says in fair. In quote even the Bible verses, which the Bible is very clear about you women submit to your husbands. And the fact repeatedly the man is the head of what? Of the family. Mina ngithemba ukuthi omama bengazisanezwe izinto lezo of domestic violence esiyibona lapha. Yes. Because into eyenza ukuthi ubaba ezesukele umama xa lingasodimoni uyakusithinta indoda lapho where it matters most. Because how do you feel ukuthi nxa usengutshele lo mama umama ukhuluma ngohadela yena uthethe ngomncolo ante bona kuhadela ukhathe even umfazi wakho uyamvule idole zona kanti sivale semotasivile. So once a man feels that he's being compared to another man, the challenge comes. One thing which rings into our head very good time, ukhona usukuchayana amanzi. Ikhona into engingayikhuza kuyakini bafundisi. Wathi ungabona mama esethanda ichechi kakhulu, kuthi usekhona umfundisi ngathi wena baba wena. Touch not the anointed ones. Touch not the what? The anointed ones. And then you attended a good bafundisi. I followed many of you when you preach. Ukuthi zwana mama. Ukuthi mina xa ngingena ngakuye emzini. Ubuye umphabule emgamini ongazuphabule indoda yakho. What message are you trying to communicate? I've seen you rebuking that. Into esithi apostolic alignment ngase iqondise amabandla enu and how the church should move in the right way. Women tend to behave in an extraordinary way when they see the men of God than when they see their husbands. So, we want to take, I believe that Dr. Ban, it is Pumana you are capturing it. Because we are going to take it straight to the doorsteps of the women's what? Sit down. These are the issues which are coming from your husbands. Now, Mama can uzishoyo. Mina ngijaye ukuthi ungabona lapho kokule submissiveness. Ungabona umfazi kwanza ukusubmita to you. The rest is covered. Omunye wazothi never ever allow a woman to have more money than you. Ungabona umama semtshela yime engiprovider lokho. Yime sengenza lokho. Yime ngenza lokho usuphele. You are finished. Kanti ke kweso kuba nenyimisi emillions ukuthi bakhona umama who are still principled. Even if I earn more than or I'm getting more than my husband, that woman still honors their husband. Equally messenger. But 90% messenger of peace. Unzima bantu bakithi uzathola ukuthi ubaba into elizisa right. Ubaba had a good job. He was a provider. Kwabe sekujika ukuthi ubaba waretrain ubaba is now sitting at home. The woman is the one who is only gainfully employed. We are going to take these issues to the doorsteps of what? Of our women. Once the authority of the man is challenged in a war, that war is gone. Abana Moshe Madarao, Amamos, the one who sees the Sifi, City Matoda, come, let's listen together. Sees reason of cocaine, or you or Kamile, Obuti, Ama residents are over Pinach. The child wanting to promote a service delivery. And these are the issues which even matters most. So leadership, I'm very, very happy with your bold statement which you spoke. That's a leadership statement. We need, you see, when you see leadership, come to say, we failed you. That's a leader. That's it. Some no audacity with them. We are really sorry. We messed up. If you see a man coming to submit himself and say, gentlemen, as your leaders we failed, that is leadership. So, Bagit, I said it. Oh, Mama, Pascal is in that. What do they put up in a cancel? What was it? I'm to so. Oh, what was the you know, they like to say piercing words. What child was it so? What I'm saying is, shut up. Or whose child just check it out without sending in jail. We are bye. We are going to avoid this. One more time, 30 minutes for a bank, like we don't fucking back. And I want to fucking back, I say, what's going to do? Loud to super a flying kick. Of some man, from your head, that was so humble. So we are building a community, not only a community, but we are building a nation. It is starting here in Popo. With this leadership, that's like from Black Progressive Resident Association, from our boards generals, the churches, from our police officers, key stakeholders, we are taking a stand. Here is Flower. We can't be these failures. History must record. Ukuthi wakula kuhadini, wakula kumfundisi umasana, wakula kubamukhulu, wakula kubamuthobheni. That generation is a generation which took a stand. We want to be remembered for that. And I mean, I don't take for granted each and every man over here. It's very important we find it. Mr. Chirwa, next time when I will work, I'm joking, he's a good friend of mine. By the way, you don't need to blame me. Mr. Chirwa. And then when I wear Kuruma, this time we are for you. But we need to honor you, our senior citizens. We need to honor you, our men of God, the leadership. We submit to you and we are saying everything starts now. A journey of 1,000 miles is begun by one step. And the step which we have taken today is Impopoma is going to be heard in all the four corners of the city. And homes shall be saved. And our man thank you very much.
Platform. I saw 5 minutes later, 5 more. So very sure we are 3 minutes equals the chat, 33 minutes.
Salbonan, Andrea Panda, but also known as Dr. Kamuzu. This is our Impopoma Men's Indaba. It's a first of its kind. It's a vision, a dream that I had. Why can't we do something as men? Sibona ama rates a suicide amongst men, ama imizi edilikayo and gender-based violence. Men are being left out my programs are money. So I muted the idea with our local councillor and other stakeholders, abafundisi, but why can't we have such for our community? And as you can see, I'm happy with the response. The numbers are good. It was a pilot project, but we can see now that it's possible. So our plans are to stretch it within our constituency first. We'll try to go to Machobana, see Ntumbane, see Mabutweni, and eventually we want to involve the whole of Bulawayo. As you have seen, Utipupra is there to come and help us as we grow. We want to grow and have the Bulawayo Men's Indaba, not a Popoma Men's Indaba, but the Bulawayo. If God permits, maybe a national men's indaba. That's the vision. That's the bigger vision of the whole thing.
Anything in future for the youths? I'm realizing, yes, but anything in store for?
Yes. In August, we are planning for a youth indaba. It's not gender, it's for boys and girls. We are planning to have a local youth indaba where youth are going to come and tell us what they expect. Because none of us expect a lot from them, but as yes, we are expecting from us and we are actually plans are at an advanced stage to talk of youth indaba. It's going to cater for even the primary school going. Because Naskuma trucks, they've even gone down to primary. So yes, into indaba nekhona. And next month, Women's Month, we're planning to have a grandparents indaba. Indaba yabogogo. Besincedise ukubuyela kuma basics ethu. So plans are there for big and better projects.